Hi everyone, I gotta warn you, I'm on a rant this morning. I'm on Instagram, minding my own business, just swiping and scrolling through the pictures. And I came across a popular Instagram influencer. And once again, he has a post with his shirt off. Now, I'm not talking about bodybuilders or fitness people that are marketing on Instagram. I'm talking about a popular influencer, and every other picture, there's quite a few of them that do this. Every other picture, they have their shirts off. Why? It's obvious they're real happy with the way their pecs and biceps look. But I don't learn anything from that. I mean, let's face it, we're on Instagram to market our company, our services, our products, to attract prospects to us, to help our followers learn from our mistakes, to help motivate and inspire them. You can do all of those things with your shirt on, right? Call me a fuddy-dud. Call me an old lady because I'm over 60. Call me a prude because I wear pearls. I don't care. And ladies, I'm not letting you off the hook either, because a lot of you go around posting what you think is your best assets. If that's all you've got, then you don't have anything but a body. I mean, come on. We don't need to see cleavage. We don't need to see bare-chested men on every other post to get your point across. If your content is good and is helpful, you don't need those things. Well, I said it now. I got that off my chest. Talk to me. Do you agree with me? Are you sick of it too? Let me know. Signing off. Bye-bye.